the Reddy Financial Group, and we're here at the world famous Checkers. And to be honest, I don't know why it's world famous. I mean, the food is bad, the customer service is bad, and I don't think it's a place where we should invest. We're gonna keep looking.
So yeah, we just checked out Starbucks, and honestly, if I had to rate it, I would probably give it 2.5 stars out of 5, maybe 2. I just wasn't, the whole atmosphere of Starbucks in general, I felt was subpar. The products, again, subpar. Reviews of its passion fruit tea.
Oh, I heard they were terrible.
Yeah, terrible. The passion fruit tea is probably the worst thing you can get on the menu. I don't want to invest in a company that can't spell basic names right. So we're going to go to the next restaurant.
Finished our experience at McDonald's, and let me tell you right now, it was a great experience. Customer service was amazing. The food, absolutely amazing.
This is the best fast food place, I think what Lucas was saying.
When our team got back to Reddy Financial Group headquarters, we knew we wanted to find a restaurant to invest in, so we visited several establishments and proceeded to analyze the stock of our favorite business, McDonald's. To do so, we studied McDonald's stock over 21 months, starting in December 2009. We quickly identified that there are 8 pieces included in our piecewise function. Our 2 variables are x, time elapsed in months, and f of x, the value of McDonald's stock in dollars. We produced the function f of x by using the opening price of the McDonald's stock for each month starting from December 2009. December 2009 in our graph starts at when no time has passed, so it is f of 0. Our first piece from our data is parabolic. This piece was from 0 to 5 months past. By using this point as our vertex, and this as our x and y value, we can plug it into vertex form and solve for a. However, because we are left with vertex form, we can simplify the equation to this. Because this parabola is exclusive to the first 5 months of our data, the restriction for this piece are 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 5. Our second piece shows linear decay. This piece starts out at 5 months past and ends at 6 months past. To find the linear equation, we took 2 points and found the slope of the line. Once we found the slope, we were able to use y equals mx plus b formula to get the y-intercept. With both of the slope and the y-intercept, we were able to get the final linear equation for our second piece. The restrictions for this piece are 5 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 6. Pieces 3 through 5 were all linear growth. Like we did for the second piece, we needed to find the final linear equation for each piece. To find the second parabolic piece of our function, we had to use quadratic curve fitting technique. After plugging our 3 points into standard form, we took 2 of the equations and subtracted them from each other. After solving for variables a and b, we plugged in both to our original equation to find c. Finally, we plugged in our 3 variables to reach our final equation. Our 7th piece was also linear growth, so we used the same steps that we used doing pieces 3 through 5. The last piece of our piecewise function turned out to be the only exponential piece, which comes at the start of 16 months past and ends at 21 months past. To find the equation of an exponential function, we know that f of x equals ab to the x. By plugging in our first points, we solve for our temporary a, and then use the next point and plug it into the exponential equation with what we found to be a and solve for b. Finally, we plug b in and solve for our real a. After plugging in for our values for both variables, we are left with the final equation. The domain of our function is x in the set of 0 and 21 because there are 21 months which pass between December 2009 to December 2011. This is because we use the point December 2009 as our starting point when no time has passed. The range of our function f of x is in the set of 62.630001 and 90.269997, meaning between December 2009 to December 2011, the stock never drops below $62 and never goes above $90. Our function is fluid and continuous, and therefore our function has no discontinuity.
After crunching the numbers, the Reddy Financial Group decided that McDonald's was an investment with amazing upside. With Americans eating fast food at an all-time high, the fast food business is growing, and we want to be part of it.